I'm going to be doing an 11.5-mile hike through a series of canyons, and rumor has it that there's dozens of untouched ancient Native American archaeological sites in this canyon which we can explore. I heard one person call this hike an open-air museum. I gotta admit, I'm excited to check this out. This is going to be cool. This is kind of a surreal experience. I'm sitting here hiking in the bitter cold with snow around, and I'm in the middle of the desert. It's so weird seeing cactuses and snow at the same time. Oh, check it out. There's some ruins right there. So this is the dwelling homes of the Anasazi Indians. The Anasazis would find these outcroppings under these cliffs, and they would